Hi everybody, it's Peter Zalum's Griniflix Adventure 8 and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about my first Adventure 8 Griniflix city walk, which I'm doing today. And it's about to start in about 15 minutes time, and I do have one of my subscribers and viewers who'll be joining me. His name is Ali. Let's start the walk and see where it ends up. The cameras I have in my kit bag today are what I have here. Okay, this is my first digital camera, my first Leica digital camera that I've actually owned. Yes, I did use Leica cameras way back in my 20s when I was a wedding photographer, working for a photographer who supplied Leica gear. It was a film camera, so more than likely it was an M4. The weddings that I shot there were shot with one lens, 35mm f2 Summicron lens. So I've chosen to take out my Leica M240P, and it's got a 35mm f1.4 lens on it, 1968 version. So I've already tested this lens out a number of times and it does create some interesting effects. The other camera that I've chosen to take along today is my Q2. Yeah, so this can be shot fully automatically. Lens is a f1.7 Summilux lens, 28mm. I'm yet to find out what Ali is going to be shooting with, and I will find that out shortly. All right, Ali, thanks again for joining me on this walk. I'll do a bit of a slideshow and we'll grab some shots that Ali took as well. As I'll also provide some details as far as the camera and the lenses you were using, and also what I was using for this.
like I always wanted to do this walk, because I feel like Sydney has got many nooks and crannies that are fantastic opportunities for photography, and it's always good to go with people who are like-minded. But so it was fantastic experience, especially the weather was nice, and yeah, the company was fantastic. So.
The company, the best, of course.
Best, the best.
Yeah. So I'm looking at maybe doing this again, maybe in a month's time, and that'll be good because it'll be in the new year as well.
That would be fantastic.
So thanks again for joining the tour. I'll finish up here because we're about to have a couple meals and enjoy the rest of the evening. So thanks again for joining us on the video.
Thank you very much, and hope to see you guys on our walks.
On the next adventure. Yeah. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, and thanks again for watching. See you next time on the next video. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.